Yeah, hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video, we'll be solving this beautiful equation. We have 27 raised to the power of x plus 64 raised to the power of x over 48 raised to the power of x plus 36 raised to the power of x is equal to 13 over 12. So solve for the values of x. Okay, solution. All right, guys, now let's start solving this problem. Now we know that 27 raised to the power of x can be written as 3 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power of 3x. And more also, 64 raised to the power of x can be written as 4 raised to the power of x times 4 raised to the power of x times 4 raised to the power of x, which is equal to 4 raised to the power of 3x. And then 48 raised to the power of x 48 raised to the power of x is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x. Okay, which is equal to 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 2x. And then 36 raised to the power of x. 36 raised to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of x times 4 raised to the power of x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power of 2x times 4 raised to the power of x. All right, so we can now rewrite this whole equation by putting all these factorized value. So we are going to have 27 raised to the power of x, which is 3 raised to the power of 3x. So we have 3 raised to the power of 3x plus 4 raised to the power of 3x over 3 raised to the power of x times 4 raised to the power of 2x, then plus 3 raised to the power of 2x times 4 raised to the power of x. Then everything is equal to 13 over 12. Okay, now from this denominator, check this denominator. We can factorize 3 raised to the power of x and 4 raised to the power of x out. So if we do that, we are going to have 3 raised to the power of 3x plus 4 raised to the power of 3x over 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x into bracket 4 raised to the power of x plus 3 raised to the power of x. So everything is equal to 13 over 12. So next thing we are going to do is that we are going to make substitution. So we can say let a be equal to 3 raised to the power of x and let b be equal to 4 raised to the power of x. So if you do that, 3 raised to the power of 3x will be a raised to the power of 3, 4 raised to the power of 3x will be b raised to the power of 3. Okay, so that will be a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3 over ab into bracket a plus b. Now let's move to everything is equal to 13 over 12. So let's move to the next page. Now, what we have is a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3 over ab into bracket a plus b is equal to 13 over 12. So how are we going to solve for the values of a and b? Now, this is what we are going to do. Now, we know that from our algebraic identity, we know that a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3 is equal to a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So we can write a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3 as a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So this will be a plus b. So multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So everything over ab into bracket a plus b is equal to 13 over 12. Now what we notice, a plus b, we cancel out a plus b. So we have a squared minus ab plus b squared, everything over ab is equal to 13 over 12. So apply linearity. So we are going to have a squared over ab minus ab over ab plus b squared over ab. Everything is equal to 13 over 12. So I'm going to have a over b because a is going to cancel one a here. Then minus b of, okay, this is a over b over b, ab over b, so that will be 1. Then plus b over a is equal to 13 over 12. So add 1 to the both sides. You are going to have a over b plus b over a is equal to 13 over 12 plus 1. Okay, guys, now how are we going to solve this equation? So we can make another substitution. We can say let a over b be equal to y. So if a over b is equal to y, then b over a will be equal to 1 over y, because b over a is the inverse of a over b. So we are going to have y plus 1 over y is equal to, now 13 over 12 plus 1 will give us 25 over 12. So multiply both sides by 12, we are going to have multiply both sides by 12y, we are going to have 12y squared plus 12 is equal to 25y. So write this equation as 12y squared minus 25y plus 12 equals 0. So now let's use factorization method to solve this quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation is 12y squared minus 25y plus plus 12 is equal to 0. So now let's use factorization method. So we know that 9 multiplied by, the products of 12, sorry, the product of 12 y squared and 12 will give us 144 y squared. So we need two factors that if we multiply together, we get 144 y squared. And then if you have to subtract the factors, we must get minus 25y. So the two factors are minus 9y, minus 16y. Because minus 9y multiplied by minus 16y will give us positive 144y squared, and minus 9y minus 16y will give us minus 25y. So this will be 12y squared minus 9y minus 16y plus 12 is equal to 0. So we can factorize. So 3 is common in 12y squared and then 9y. And then also y is common here, y is common here. So 3y is common in 12y squared and 9y. And then also here 4 is common in 16y, 4 is common in 12. So we're going to have 3y into bracket 4y minus 3. Then minus 4 into bracket 4y minus 3 equals 0. So this will be 3y minus 4 multiplied by 4y minus 3 equals 0. So either 3y minus 4 equals 0 or 4y minus 3 equals 0. So 3y will be equal to 4 or 4y will be equal to 3. So you divide both sides by 3 and here you divide both sides by 4. So we have y equals 4 over 3 or y equals 3 over 4. But don't forget that a over b is equal to y and b over a is equal to 1 over y. So we know that a over b is equal to y and then b over a is equal to 1 over y. And more so, we know that a is equal to 3 raised to the power of x, and then b is equal to 4 raised to the power of x. So a over b can be written as 3 raised to the power of x over 4 raised to the power of x is equal to y, and then 4 raised to the power of x over 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 over y. Okay, 1 over y. All right, now let's move on. So we have 3 raised to the power of x over 4 raised to the power of x is equal to y, and then 4 raised to the power of x over 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 over y. So we already know the values of y. So we know that y is 3 over 4 and then 4 over 3. So we are going to have 3 over 4 raised to the power of x is equal to, so when y is 3 over 4, so we are going to have what? Equals 3 over 4 raised to the power of 1. So 3 over 4 cancel out 3 over 4, so we have x is equal to 1. So the value of x is equal to 1. Then let's substitute that here also. That is when y is 3 over 4. So we're going to have 4 raised to the power of x over 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 divided by 3 over 4. Okay, so that will be 4 raised to the power of x over 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 multiplied by 4 over 3. So we can say that 4 raised to the power of x over 3 raised to the power of x is also equal to what? 4 over 3 raised to the power of 1. So we have x is equal to 1 when y is 3 over 4. But when y is 4 over 3, what will be the value of x? Now let's do that. When y is 4 over 3, don't forget 3 raised to the power of x over 4 raised to the power of x is equal to y. And 3 raised to the power of x, 4 raised to the power of x over 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 over y. So when y is 4 over 3, we are going to have 3 raised to the power of x over 4 raised to the power of x is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, 4 over 3. And then, so this is 3 over 4 raised to the power of x is equal to 4 over 3. So I can rewrite 4 over 3 as 3 over 4 raised to the power of minus 1. So this will be 3 over 4 raised to the power of x is equal to 3 over 4 raised to the power of minus 1. So 3 over 4 we cancel out 3 over 4. So we have x is equal to minus 1. So x is also equal to minus 1 here. Then here also, if you solve that, so that will be 4 raised to the power of x over 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 divided by 4 over 3. So that will be 4 raised to the power of 3 over, 4 raised to the power of x over 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 1 times 3 over 4. So here also we get x is equal to negative 1. Okay, so the two values of x. Hence, the two values of x are positive 1 and then what? And negative 1. Those are the two values of x. We have positive 1 and negative 1. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment and share, and click the notification button so that anytime I upload video, you'll be the first to watch it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.